So this week I'm in my kitchen because I needed to replace our old broken Samsung oven for this new Cookology one, which we bought on Amazon. And it's been absolute chaos in this kitchen for the last 3 weeks. We've been using a halogen oven, so I thought, right, I'm going to show you how I fitted it because it's actually much simpler than I thought it would be. So I'll just give you a quick lowdown that this oven was definitely beyond economical repair. Because firstly, within a month the heat got to the clock and it didn't display properly. Then by its first Christmas it couldn't hold a turkey, and thereafter it wouldn't hold much, so I had to keep oven-proof deep base pans under there just to catch a fall. And then roughly around the second year of using it, it packed up, so I didn't want anything to do with it anymore. So just to give you a disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. If you're fitting an oven yourself, you're doing it at your own risk, but the reason we felt fine with this, because we've got the electrics done for an oven in place. And this one we bought off Amazon, which is a Cookology one, is 2.1 kilowatts. According to quite a few YouTube videos, if it's over 3, you're probably going to need an electrician. And the listing said it was fine with a 13 amp plug. But before we ordered it, we made sure it was the same size as our old oven, which is about 600 millimeters. I believe this is a standard size for a built-in one. So then my fiance worked on fitting the plug while I focused on removing the old oven itself. And thankfully there's handles at the side which made it easy, it wasn't that heavy, and I was very fortunate that the cable was 1.8 meters long and I was able to rest it on the floor while it was still plugged in. But then I revealed this awful greasy mess which must have leaked, so I just made sure I cleaned that up first. And then with a bit of manoeuvring, I had to sort of crawl in the back. There's about a 3-inch recess behind the units, allowing me to reach up and unplug it. And then it was time to get rid of it and bring in the new one. And the reason I said I was lucky for it being 1.8 meters long is because I noticed this oven was much shorter. So I had to get my fiance to hold this one and then wriggle around to plug it in place. But there was no way I wanted to put this on an extension cable. So once we'd plugged it in, we slot it into place, and although I didn't show it, we did remove the old screws for the old oven. So once we'd got it in situ, I removed all the protective cardboard and foam that was inside, and the instructions. And then to make sure it was secure, it came with 2 screws and rubber caps, so I just attached those with a screwdriver and popped over the rubber caps that came with it.